So today we're going to be doing a ASMR opening of cinnamoroll blind bag. It says, "Cinnamoroll blind bag, please clean me." Sorry for the noises from the background. So let's just clean cinnamoroll, the little squishy one. Okay, we have the little baggie. Well, I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to set it up. Trash can. Question mark. Wonder what is this one? Okay, this one. This one. Excuse me, cinnamoroll? Okay. Well, that is all. So, are you guys ready? So, let's start by taking off cinnamoroll's hair. We have to use a little trash can. Can you guys see? It says trash can is here. Let's turn it around. Go. Scratch him off. Ow, that hurt. Sorry, cinnamoroll. Yeah. Ow. Sorry. Now this. Yeah. Ow. Now this one. Yeah. Ow. Shh. Hush, cinnamoroll. We're doing an ASMR. Yeah. Ow. Okay, perfect. There you go. Now we just gotta clean your face. So for that, now we'll need this. Face wash. Perfect. I'm just gonna get some squirts. Squirt, squirt. Time to give this. Time to scrub my hands. I better put this awesome stuff straight here. Make it clean up here. Close your eyes because these stuffs are gonna go on you. Perfect. Now we're done using this one. Let's close it. Now we'll need this one. The purple question mark. Guys, hey guys, guess what's in here? I'm gonna let you guys think. Put it in the comments. 3. I'm gonna do a countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, it's a showering thing. Gotta open it up. Yeah. Wow. This is working out so good. Okay. Hi. There you go. Good job, cinnamoroll. Well, this one is finished now. Bye-bye. Wait! Oh no! Cinnamoroll! No! Why you tried to run away from me? Now, time to put some face cream. Ta-da! Look at it. How beautiful. Look at the bold cinnamoroll. Look at it. Okay. Got time to take out this thing and go. 1, 2, 3, pew pew. Now there you go. Now we're just gonna put this like this. Boom. Now we'll scrub it again. Scrub, scrub. Now it's time to do this again. And to put the little thingies. Perfect. Now time for the other one. There you go. Perfect. Now time for the final thing. I wonder what's in here. The big blue bag. Let's open it up. It's a face mask. Perfect. Key part is it's a watermelon face mask. Well, let's put it on cinnamoroll. So now he can be all clean and we can be all happy. Meow. Yay. Now time to put cinnamoroll's face on this. Meow. 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 Perfect. This is so awesome. Now time to wait for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Ooh, I'm a zombie. Ooh. 6. Cinnamoroll, stop scaring everybody. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Cinnamoroll, come back here. Come back here. Yeah. Yeah. Yay, I look much better now. Yep. Well, we finally got Cinnamoroll all clean. And now he's all happy and squishy. And hyper too. Well, say bye to the vlog, guys. To the vlog, Cinnamoroll. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. And give us a like and subscribe. Bye. Yeah, listen to Cinnamoroll. Give us a like and subscribe right here, right now. Bye. I'll do more right now. Heart. Peace.